How to open Capital One bank account online. So if you want to open Capital One bank account online, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser and go with the search. And under search, you need to search for Capital One Bank. Once you've searched, it will have this www.capitalone.com, which is the official website. Just click on it, or you can just simply go with the bank accounts, which is right here, and it will directly take you to the page from where you can create your account. So if you scroll down, all the way down, you will have this kind of interface, which is your savings account. You can simply go with compare all accounts if you want to compare these accounts and choose which is the best one. So scroll down and here you will have 360 checking or 360 performance savings or 360 CDs. You can simply choose any one of these, or you will also have this kids account or teen account. So I'll just simply choose the first one and click on open account, whichever you're comfortable with. Now it's asking, do you already have a Capital One login? So in my case, I don't have it, so I'll just go with no. And here it says that to create your account, you need to have the information like name, address, social security number, and you will have the option to add money to your account right away. And when your account is open, you will get the routing and account number. So just go with continue. And if you have a promo code, you can use your promo code or just simply click on continue and then enter your first and last name. So first is the personal info and then the identity and terms and conditions and then fund. So I'll just simply enter the first and last name and then go with continue. Now you need to enter your email address. So confirm your email address again and then click on continue. Now you need to enter your mobile number. So enter the country code and then enter your mobile number and again click on continue. And once you enter your mobile number, you'll get this kind of interface, which is your identity. So you just need simply enter your residential address and your city, state, zip code, and everything, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you need to enter your social security number on the next step and your ID proof or documents like that. And it will take you to the next step where you need to agree to the terms and conditions. And after that, you need to fund your account with the minimum balance and your account will be created. So that's how you can open up your Capital One bank account online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.